everybody, it's Molly. I wanted to say I'm gonna do a black, yellow, red, and white colander pour today. So those colors always end up kind of interesting and they're challenging for me, so I wanted to try to do that. But before I do that, I wanted to say thank you. I hit 10,000. So my first, you can't really see it that well. Let me see if I need to zoom out at all. So my first colander pour that I did came out like this. And you can see I have the effect, but it's kind of, I called this one, I think, the ethereal one because it reminds me of like going into a portal. So that was that one. It's got some shimmery parts in it with the gold. It's not perfect, but so this will be the painting that I give away. To enter, so I had some issues with gleam before, so to enter, if you want to like the video and comment below, and I'll enter you into the drawing, and I will leave it open until Friday. I'll draw on Friday and I'll mail it out. The winner does have to pay shipping, so if you are overseas, please keep that in mind. The winner does have to pay shipping. All right, so let's get started. Like I said, I'm using black, yellow, orange, red, and white. So black and yellow sometimes end up making this greenish color, and then my black and my white I tried to separate for the gray, and then the white and the pink. So these are very difficult colors for me to work with. So I get a little bit of green. I'm okay with the green. I just don't want a ton of pink, and I don't want a ton of gray. So let's just see what happens here. Where's my white? Because the white overlaying everything is really what does that effect. And I did a pour the other day where I just used floetrol and gloss medium and varnish. And this is what I'm talking about when I say that. It is from Creative Inspirations from Jerry's Artorama. I love them. I don't use it to actually varnish any of my paintings, but all right. And my little stands are from Home Depot. Everybody asks me that. Okay, I'm gonna pull up. Give me a second. Let the paint drip through. Do this slowly. This is what creates that design in the center. Yes, okay. It worked. I don't know how, how it's gonna be once I stretch it out, but, oh no, I didn't put you back down on the screen, you guys. Why didn't you tell me? All right. So that is what the center looks like. I hope that that's gonna come out like that bloom like I had in the last one. Okay, now let me get you so that you're square back on the canvas again. Okay, let's go. So like I normally do, and people have been saying, man, I really like those lines. And I like those lines too. Maybe I'll do a bigger one. I have all these little bubbles that I want to pop now instead of later. I like those lines too, so maybe I'll do a bigger one and just try to stretch it all out so that the lines can stay, because these are really cool. I don't know if you guys can see those right there, but those are pretty cool lines. But they're gonna go straight off because I really want to stretch out this center. And I'm gonna go straight down first, bring it back, and then go to the side. I'll just keep going off to this side for now. I don't want to lose my center though, so. Oh, I already lost a bunch of it. I did not tilt very well on this one, guys. Just stretching it out. Back to the center. Okay, so my tilting left something to be desired here today, so maybe you guys can learn something from that. I did not do a very good job tilting at all, but I love this effect that's right there. Hopefully you guys can see it. Super cool. Okay, so I don't love this like ring that happened around it, but I do love the actual effect. I wanted it to kind of resemble fire. I don't know. I had a little bit too much paint and I stretched it a little. Like I didn't stretch it symmetrically. But let's take a look. I want to reuse my gloves, so I'm trying to take them off slow, sorry. There we go. Okay. And that's that center. Looks so 3D. I just don't like whatever that is right there that happened around it, but you know, can't win them all. Those look like they're glowing. Those are like little glow bugs. I love it. It really does look like it's glowing, you guys. That's not the lighting, that's the painting. All right, so there it is. Got some pretty effects over here too. So there she is, a black and yellow and red colander pour. All right, you guys don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, please. And I'll enter you into the drawing from this video. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate everything that you guys comment and say, and I love interacting with all of you, so thank you for that. All right, happy painting, you guys. Bye.